What's up, guys? Mark here, Wired Customs Motorsports. We have a car out here that was taken to a window tint place only. This place does not do audio. However, they tried to do some audio. Let's go out there and check this out. Right now, the tech is pulling off the battery. That's how bad this is. I didn't want to even touch it for a minute more until we unplug that. We'll take the cables off the battery. Let's go out there and see why. I'm gonna keep this rolling, not gonna cut. All right, this is bad. This is one of the worst. All those are exposed, fully exposed wires. All those. I'm scared to touch it right now, actually. All those are exposed wires, exposed wires, exposed wires. And I'm gonna take some close-ups here after that is off. Scary. Scary, scary, scary stuff. Oof. That's scary. Yeah. I don't even know what to say. Just a little FYI, I'm not gonna call out the place, even though I ought to. This is a place in Burleson. There's only like 2 places in Burleson that does window tint only. It even has window tint in the name. But like, why would you? Please, guys, read reviews. This stuff is so important. This is not just matching up colors. This is not matching up colors nowadays. In the 80s, in the early 90s, radios were easy. Trust the place you're taking your car to. That car could have been burned to the ground a long time ago with his kids in it. That's why I take stuff like this personally, because people's kids are in this car.